welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video with Mandy. Today we are working on grade 9 general education certificate, GEC mathematics paper, paper 1 only. Guys, before we start with this video, I would like you guys to help us grow. This is a new channel. Please subscribe to our channel and hit notification bell to be notified of our future uploads. And also, guys, please tell me where are you watching from and which school. Guys, please on the comment section below, kindly tell me where where are you watching from, which province, and which school, and your school as well, so that I can know. And also, if there are any questions you would like me to do, also comment on the section below, or any topic that you don't understand. I will upload that video. Okay, before wasting any more time, please let's get started with our question for today. This is grade 9 2022 November GEC question paper. Please use this question paper to prepare for your November 2025 exam. Okay, before wasting any more time, let's just get started with our lesson for today. Section A, what kind of a number is a square root of 5? Number A, natural number. What is a natural number? A natural number is any number that starts from 1 to what? To infinity. So it starts from 1 to what? To infinity. So there's no decimal, no fraction in what? In natural number, meaning that natural number is not the correct answer. A whole number start from 0 on to what? To infinity. That there's no rational, no fraction. A rational number is any number that can be written in the form of A over B, whereby B should not be equal to 0. Any fraction, so any number that can be written as a fraction. So square root of 5 can be written as a fraction? No. So an irrational number is a number that cannot be written in the form of A over B. For an example, a square root of a prime number. And 5 is a what? Is a prime number. The correct answer is D. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. What is the LCM of 14 and 16? 224, 112, 4, or 2. Guys, the only way we can simply get the answer for LCM is when we use a tree diagram. So when we use this tree diagram, so 14 and 16, here we'll put 14, here we'll put 16. Okay. So does 2 goes into 14 years? How many times 7? Does 16 goes into 16? These are two prime numbers. We are done with 14. 16, 2, 8, and then 2 again with 4, and then 2 again with what? With 2. So for LCM, for 14, it's gonna be 2 times what? Times 7. And for 16, it's gonna be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So when we look for an LCM now, LCM it's gonna be, so I have 2 here, and then I have 2 on the 14, and then I have 2 in 16. I will take 2, this one is out, this 2 is out. I'll write it here. It's 2, and then there are 3 2's. We know that when we look for LCM, the rest we must multiply them. 2 times 2 times 1, 2, 3 times 2 times what? Times 7. It's unlike when we look for highest common factor. When we look for lowest common factor, um, if the prime number is in 14 as in it's in 16, we take it out. We take one of it, and then we multiply the rest. So the answer is gonna be 1 1 2. The correct answer is what? Is B. So let's proceed to 1.3. Guys, please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to tell me where you are watching from, your province, on the comment section below, so that I can know who are my people, and your school as well. Comment on the section below. And also, if you have a topic that you don't understand, please let me know so that I can quickly revise it before you write your examination. Number 3, a car travels 180 kilometer in 2 hours on a straight road. How many kilometer can the car travel in 210 minutes at the same speed? So the question, how many kilometer? How many kilometers simply means that we are looking for what? We are looking for a distance. The first thing that we are going to look at we are going to look at speed and time. Then we look for distance. So the speed for a car, for the speed, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to look for the speed for a car that is traveling 180 kilometer in 2 hours. So S is gonna be, we know that S is what? Is distance over time. Don't forget that distance equals to what? Speed times what? Times time. So S, you just in order for you to get S, just divide by T, just divide by T, right? Just don't forget this. Whenever you go to it, just know that distance equals to what? Speed multiplied by what? By time. So my speed here is gonna be 180 divided by 2, and the speed is 90 kilometer per hour. So now we need to look for time again, because the question says how many kilometer. So we got speed. Now we need what? We need to look for what? For a time. And then T is gonna be it's gonna be how many kilometers can the car travel in 210 minutes? So I would divide this 210 minutes by 60, so that I can convert it to what? To hours, because this time is in what? Is in hours. So we have 210. I want to know how many hours, guys. So in order for us to get hours, I would divide this 210 by what? By 60, because this is 210 minutes. In order for me to get hour, and then it's gonna be 3,5 hour. So distance is gonna be 90 times 3,5, which is 315 kilometer. The correct answer is D. So let's proceed to number 4. Which of the following is the correct answer? Guys, what I can advise you for this type of question, you can simply use a calculator, or you can use what a BODMAS rule to in order for you to save time. But let's quickly solve this. It's gonna be 3 minus 3 plus 17 minus 4 times what? Times 2. So the answer is gonna be, I will start by working out what is in brackets first. It's gonna be negative minus 3 plus 14, minus 3 plus 17 is positive 14. Negative times negative is positive times what? Times 2. So it's gonna be 3. Negative times 14 is negative 14 plus 4 times 2. And then the answer 3 times negative 14 is gonna be negative 42. And then 4 times 2 is what? Is 8. And then the correct answer is minus 30. It's minus 34. The correct answer is what? The correct answer is D. Let me proceed to number 5. What is the value of? What is the value of what is the value of where when a equals to 2 and b equals to 3? One thing you need to do, where there is a, you are putting 2, where there is b, you are putting 3. Let's calculate. It's going to be 3, negative 2, and then there is 2 here, times b, it is 3, plus 6a, it is 2 squared, and then b, it is 3 squared, divided by a is 2, b, it is what? It is 3. Let's work out what is in the brackets. Guys, I wrote a and I'm supposed to put what? I'm supposed to put 2. This is 2 here. It's 2 here. So 3, negative 2 times 2 is going to be negative 4 times 3 plus this is going to be 6. 2 to the exponent of 2, it is 4. 3, it's going to be 9. Everything divisible by 6. It's going to be 3, negative 12 plus 6 times 4 times 9 is 216, divided by 6. And then the answer 3 times negative 12, it's going to be negative 36 plus 216 divided by 6. This is going to be 180 divided by 6. And then the answer is 30. So the correct answer is what? Is 30. But don't waste your time doing all this. Just put everything in your calculator and then you get the answer. What is the value in simplest form of the expression? Let's calculate. The answer, negative 4 to the exponent of 3 is going to be negative 64, divided by square root of 4 is 2, plus 3 root of 8 is going to be 2 as well, plus root of 64 is 8, divided by 2, minus 2 to the exponent of 2 is 4. Minus 64 over 4 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4 minus what? Minus 4. And 4 And 4 minus 4 is 0. Negative 64 divided by 4, it is negative 6. And the correct answer is A. What is the answer in simplest form of the expression? Guys, the laws of exponents says that when the bases are the same and we have a division side, we subtract the exponents that are in the denominator. Okay, it's gonna be 4a, the exponent of 12, divided by 4a, 3. Guys, this 4 and 4 will cancel, we'll be left with a, 12, a, 3. The laws of exponents that when the bases are the same and we have a division side, this 3, when it comes to the numerator, it will change sign. It's going to be minus 3. And therefore, a, it's going to be a to the exponent of what? Of 9. The correct answer is what? It is b. So let's proceed to the next one. What is the answer in simplest form? So 5 to the exponent of negative 1 is 1 over 5 plus 6 is going to be 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 5 times 1 over what? Over 6. Guys, you can just simply use a calculator. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 is going to be 11 over 30 divided by 1 over 5 times 1 over 6. It's going to be 1 over what? 1 over 30. And we are going to turn a division into multiplication. We are turning this division into multiplication. This one will be in the numerator and this one will be in the denominator. It's going to be 30 over 1. This 30 and this will cancel. I'll be left with 11 over 1. And the answer is what? Is 11. The correct answer is what? The correct answer is D. So let's proceed to number 9. What is the answer in simplest? What is the answer in simplest form? Guys, the laws of exponents is that ax2 exponent of, this is a to the exponent of 2, x2 multiplied by what? By 2. And then the answer is going to be a2 x to the exponent of what? Of, I'm going to use this rule. I will apply this, the third laws of exponents here too. So it's gonna be 2 to the exponent of 3. And then in the brackets, when the base are the same, we add what? Exponents. It is what? It is 2 plus what? Plus 3. Everything to the exponent of what? Of 6. 2 times 3 is what? Is 6. So 2 to the exponent of 3 is 8. This is x to the exponent of 5. And then the answer is going to be 8x. 5 times 6. The answer is going to be 8x to the exponent of what? Of 30. This is the correct answer. What is this answer in simplest form? What is the answer in simplest form? Any number or any variable to the exponent of 0 is 1. One thing you need to know is that any number to the exponent of 0 and any variable to the exponent of 0, it is what? It is 1. 25 to the exponent of 0, answer. 25 to the exponent of 0, it's gonna be 1. Minus 5 to the exponent of 0, it's gonna be 1 plus 5 to the exponent of, okay, the first thing that we need to do here, we need to, the base are the same, we need to add what? Exponents, right? It's gonna be 4 plus what? 2 divided by 5. 3 times 2 is what? Is 6. 1 minus 1, it is 0. It is 0. I'll be left with what? With 5 to the exponent of 6 divided by 5 to the exponent of 6. And the answer is 1. The correct answer is 1. So let's proceed. This is number pattern. Guys, please don't forget to tell me, where are you watching from, my learners? Where are you watching from? Please comment on the section below which province are you watching from and the name of your school, and also if you have any question that you are struggling with, please kindly, and if you have any question that you are struggling with, or if you have any topic that you are struggling with, please kindly comment on the section below so that I can quickly work on it before you can go and write your examination. How many dots will be in the next hexagonal prism? How many dots? So let me write down the number of dots will be. So the first, I'll write a table like this. So the figure and dots. 1, 2, 3. Figure and dots. 1, 2, 3, and the next one is what is 4. In number 1, how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. And then in number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11. In number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, in 15. So let me calculate again. How many dots did I get in number 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So what's the difference, guys? What's the difference here? 11 minus 7, it's gonna be 4, and then we also have 4 here. And the next one, when we add the 4, we're gonna have what? 19. And the correct answer here, it is 19. So let's proceed to the next question. What are the values of A and B? A and B. So we have an A there, and then the second one is 4. And the third one, we have A, guys. So A, 4, 1, 1 over 4, and what? And B. So let's check. How did I get this 1? How did I get this 1 over 4? In order for me to get this 1 over 4, I've simply divided this one by this one, and then I got this one. Guys, just observe. If I divide this, if I divide T3 or T3 by T2. This one by this one, T3 divided by T2. It gave me 1 over 4, meaning that T2, this is T2 divided by this is gonna be T3 divided by T2, gave me 1 over 4. And then it's gonna be like T5 divided by T4. It's gonna be equal to T4 divided by T3. And it's gonna be equals to T3 divided by T2. It's gonna be equals to T2 divided by T1. So in order for me to get this one, so now my A is gonna be, so my A here is gonna be 16. Y is gonna be 16. My A is gonna be 16, because if we put 16, if we put 16 here, I don't know if you guys you understand me on this one, guys. We're trying to check how did they get 44. How did they get 1 over 4? So in order for them to get this 1 over 4, it was what? It was T3 divided by T2, this one here. It was T3 divided by what? By T2. And then this T3 divided by 2 got me what? Got me it got me T4. All right. So I'm gonna do the same. Right? We're gonna do the same. So in order for me to get um the next one now, it's gonna be like this. Is gonna be my A is gonna be 16, and then my B is gonna be it's gonna be 4 times 4 over what? Oh no, sorry. It's gonna be 4 times 1 over 4. It's gonna be 1 over what? And therefore the B is gonna be 1 over what? Over 16. So the correct answer is gonna be C. So let's proceed to the next question, number 12. Arrangement 1, arrangement 2, and arrangement 3. Tables and chairs are arranged so that in every second arrangement, the tables are joined together. The arrangements indicate the number of people that can occupy the tables and the chair. What is the rule to determine the number of people for the seventh arrangement? Guys, the only way you can simply get this is by using a table rule. So this is for arrangements and the number of what? Of tables. Arrangement, a number of table, and the number of people. One, two, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. This is table number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. So number of table in number 1 it's gonna be gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what? And 7. So number of people in table number 1, it will be what? It will be 4. Because the question says tables and chairs are arranged such that in every second arrangement, the tables are not what? Are not joined together. So for first table is gonna be 4, and then second is gonna be 8. It's gonna be 8 again. And for table number 4, it's gonna be 16. Number 5, it's gonna be 12, and then 24, and then it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 16. So arrangement 1, arrangement 3, arrangement 5. Sequence number 2 is arrangement 2, arrangement 4, and arrangement. This they are going in sequence. As for you not to get confused, they are going in sequence. This is the sequence. Arrangement number 1 is arrangement 1, arrangement 3, arrangement 5, because it said the tables and chairs are arranged so that in every second arrangement the tables are not joined together. For every second arrangement, the tables are not what? I don't join together. And then number what? And then this one. And also I will change the color here. You can see. And then for sequence number 2, it is 8, 16, and what? And 20 and 24. So the rule for the seventh arrangement, the rule for seventh arrangement is gonna be 4. It's gonna be 4n. The rule for seventh arrangement, the seventh arrangement, one, this one, because we multiply, it's gonna be 4. It's gonna be 4 times 4, which will give me 16. So it's gonna be 4n. So the correct answer is what? Is 4. In a soccer match, a referee, 2 linesmen, and 2 captains shake hands before the start of the game. How many handshakes will be there in total? How many shake hands will be there in total? The shake hands, how many? It is a referee, 2 linesmen, and 2 captains. The referee, 1, 2, 2 linesmen, and 2 captains. And 2 captains. So if they shake hands before the start of the game, how many handshakes are gonna be there? If it's gonna be what? This is simple. Just multiply all these people by 2 because they will shake hands. It's 10. The answer is what? Is 10. What is the coefficient of x squared? What is the coefficient of x squared? So one thing we're going to do here in order for us to get the coefficient, we start by what? By simplifying. It's gonna be x4 plus x3 minus x squared divided by what? By 4. Everything will be divisible by 4. It's gonna be x4 divided by 4 plus x3 divided by 4 minus x4 divided by 4. And we all know that behind any variable, there's 1 here. There is 1 here. There is what? 1 here. So coefficient of x squared, this is an x. This is the last one here. It's 2. Sorry, it's 2. So what is the coefficient of x squared? So this one is minus 1 over 4 x squared. So the coefficient is this one here. The correct answer is gonna be minus 1 over what? Over 4. That's the coefficient. Which of the following are like term in the expression? The like term, they have the same variable and same exponent. Same variable and same exponent. What are the like term? These are the like term. These are the like term. They have the same variable and same what? Same exponent. So the correct answer is gonna be D. So what is the product? What is the product? We're going to multiply out here. So it's 2x minus 3y, x plus 5y. So 2x times 2x, this one times this one is going to be 2x squared. And this one again and that one is going to be 10xy. This one and this one is going to be minus 3xy. And then this one again and then the other one is going to be minus 15xy. So the answer is going to be 2x squared. 10xy minus 3y is 7xy minus 15xy. So the correct answer is the correct answer is gonna be 2x squared plus 7 minus is gonna be a. The correct answer is a. What is the expression in its simplest form? Let's calculate 16x3 minus 2x minus 3x minus x divided by negative 2x squared. Start by working out what is in the numerator, 16x3 negative 2x. These are like the minus 3x minus x is minus 4x. I'll divide by minus 2x squared. And then it's gonna be 16x3 negative 2x times negative 4x is gonna be positive 8x squared divided by minus 2x squared. So I will divide, it's gonna be 16x3 divided by negative 2x squared plus 8x squared divided by negative 2x squared. So the answer is gonna be 16 in this one is gonna be negative 8x3 minus 2. This one and 8 divided by negative is going to be negative 4x2 minus what? 2 minus 2. So the answer is going to be minus 8x to the exponent of 1 minus 4x to the exponent of what? Of 0. So the answer is going to be minus 8x minus 4. X to the exponent of 0 is 1. Therefore, the answer is going to be minus 8 minus 4. So the correct answer is D. So let's proceed to number 19. What are the factors of the expression? This is a difference of 2 squared. 1 minus 9a squared. Because 1 is a perfect square and 9 is a what? Is a perfect square. I'll come and open what? We have 1 here, we have 1 here, we have minus, and then we have plus. It's gonna be what? 3a 3 because negative 3 times 3 is gonna be minus 9a squared. What's the correct answer? Yeah, the correct answer is B. So what are the factors of the expression? 3x 3 plus 9x squared minus 30x. What's the common factor? The first thing that we're going to do is to look at the common factor. Common factor is 3x, and we know that we divide by what? By common factor. 3x 3, we divide by common factor all the time when we factorize. This and this one, x3 divided by x is going to be x squared. This by this, 9x squared divided by 3x is going to be 3x. And then minus 30x divided by 3x. X and x will cancel. And then it's going to be minus 10. We are not done yet. We need to factorize what is in the brackets. Factors of 10. Factors of 10, I have 1 and 10, 2 and 5. I need to look for two numbers. Two numbers, combination of numbers. Two numbers, when I multiply these two numbers, when I add them, they must give me what? 3. When I add or subtract them, they must give me 3. When I multiply them, they must give me negative what? 10. It is what? It is 2 and 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 times minus 2 is negative 10. The other brackets, x and x, the other brackets were 5, and the other one will have negative what? Negative 2. So the correct answer here is going to be what? The correct answer here is going to be D. The area of a rectangle is x squared minus x minus 2. What is the length and width of the rectangle in terms of x? So even here we're going to factorize, guys. It's gonna be x squared minus x minus what? Minus 2. Factors of 2 is 1 and what? And 2. Two numbers, when I add or subtract them, they must give me negative 1. When I multiply, they must give, it's gonna be minus 2 plus 1 is gonna give me minus 1. Minus 2 times 1 is gonna give me negative 2. And then this is gonna be x, and this is gonna be x. And minus 2 plus what? Plus 1. So my length is gonna be x plus 1, and then w is gonna be x minus 2. So the correct answer is D. So let's proceed to number 22. What is the simplest form of the expression? What is the simplest form of the expression? The first thing that we're going to do here, we are going to turn the division into multiplication. Let's start here. There is a common factor. So there is a common factor here. The common factor is 6. And we know that we divide by common factors. So 6x squared divided by 6, I'll be left with x squared. 18, it's gonna be 3. Negative 60 divided by, it's gonna be negative 10. Everything divisible by 48x. Multiply the, I'm going to turn this division to multiplication. This will come here, and this will come here. So it's gonna be 8x divided by x squared minus what? Minus 4. I will come and factorize here. I will have x here, I will have x here. And then factors of 10. Factors of 10. Again is 2 and 5, 1 and what? And 10. Two numbers, when I add them, it must give me 3. When I multiply them, they must give me negative 10. It's going to be 5 minus 3. 5 minus 2 is what is 3. 5 times minus 2 is what? Minus 10. Meaning that I will have positive 5 here, I will have negative 2 here. everything divided by 48x. 8x, this is a difference of two squares. On the bottom I have x minus 2, x plus what? Plus 2, because this 4, it is a what? It is a perfect square. So this one and this one will what? Will cancel. This one and this one will cancel. And 6 times 8 is gonna be 48. 48x. X plus what? Plus 5. And then now we have 40x here multiplied by this one, x plus what? Plus 2. This one and this one and this one will cancel, and I'll be left with x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. The correct answer is C. Guys, please let me know, where are you watching from, guys? What's your province and the name of your school, and also the questions or topics that you would like me to assist you with. Please comment on the comment section below. What are the factors if the expression is factorized fully? What are the factors if the expression is factorized fully? So let's factorize. Where 15s4 minus 15z what? Minus 15z4. The common factor is going to be 15. Then I have s4 minus z4. This one also, they are also perfect squares. Gonna be s2 here, s2 here, minus z2 minus z2. Sorry, plus z2. Sorry, I made a mistake here. So we still have what? We still have a difference of 2 square here. It's gonna be 15 s minus z, s plus z, x squared plus z squared. So the correct answer is gonna be what? Is gonna be C. So let's proceed to number 24. What is the value of x? Let's quickly, this is simple. X minus 5 equals to minus 7. X is gonna be minus 7. I'll take this to the other side, plus what? 5. X is gonna be negative 2. Answer is C. What is the value of x here? 3x plus 1, 2 multiplied by what? So what we're going to do here, I'm going to multiply by 2 both sides. This 2 and this 2 will cancel. It's going to be 3x plus 1. 5 times 2 is 10. I will take this to the other side. It's going to be 10 minus 1. 3x is going to be 9. I will divide by 3. I will divide by 3. X is what? Is 3. The correct answer is D. What is the solution of the equation? X minus 4 equals to 0. The answer is x equals to 0, or x minus 4 equals to 0. The answer is going to be what? It's going to be 4. X is going to be 0, or x is going to be 4. The answer is what? Is B. What is the value of x? What is the value of x here? 6x minus 1 equals to be 36. The base must be what? The base, the laws of exponential equation says that when the base are the same, we equate exponents, and when exponents are the same, we equate base. Here, exponents can't be the same because we have a variable. Now that the base must be what? Must be the same. Is 6 to the exponent of 2. 6 to the exponent of 2 is 36. The base are the same, we equate exponents. 2 plus 1. X is what? Is 3. So let's proceed to the next one. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? So y equals to 12x minus 18. and y equals to -6. Where there is y, I'll put -6. It's going to be 12x minus 18. I will take this to the other side. It's going to be -6 plus 18 equals to 12x. So minus is going to be 12 divided by 12. I will divide by 12. I'll divide by 12. Therefore, x is going to be 1. So let's proceed to number 29. What's the value of a, guys? The only thing that we need to do is to check how the y values are moving. So this one minus this one is 1, is 3, 11 is 5, and then it's gonna 1, and then 18 minus is gonna be what? It's gonna be 7. So guys, already like we know that there are how they are moving and all that. So I have one here. I don't have a common difference, guys. One thing I know is that there is a gap of 2, 2, 2. Because the easiest way but to get this answer is to look for a Tn first in order for us not to get confused. So it's going to be Tn is going to be Dn plus what? Plus C. So Tn, my D is 2. Oh, no, guys. I've used sorry guys here. Guys, we simply need to introspect. We simply need to introspect here. And let's check if we already know our m, so that we can get the formula to get what is in the y values. Guys, if I can say that my y, it is x squared plus what? Plus 2. Let me check if this from my formula will correspond. Where there is x, if I put 0, I have to get what? I have to get 2. And yes, with this formula, I will get what? I will get 2. If I put 1, I must get 3. Put 1 here, is going to be 1 plus 2 will be 3. Okay, meaning that if for a, I need to put -1. It's going to be -1. And then the answer is going to be what? It's going to be 3. So let me proceed. What is the solution for the equation? 18x squared minus 24x equals to what? Equals to 0. One thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for the common factor. The lowest one here is going to be 3x. 18x squared divided by 3x is going to give me 6x. minus 8 equals to 0. 3x equals to 0, or 6x minus 8 is going to be 0. I divide by 3, I'll divide by 3x is going to be 0. Or 6x is going to be 8, I'll divide by 6, I'll divide by 6. Therefore, x is going to be 4 over 3. The correct answer is going to be D. What is the solution of the equation? 4x squared minus 4x equals to 48. I would start by taking this 48 to the other side. Equals to 0. And then I will divide by 4. I will divide by 4 everywhere. By 4, by 4, by 4, by 4. And then it's going to be x squared minus x minus 12 equals to 0. And then I will factor. I will have x here. I will have x factors of 12. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So two numbers, when I add or subtract them, they must give me -1. When I multiply them, they must give me -12. It's going to be -4 plus 3 equals to -1. Minus 4 times 3. It's going to be -12. Minus 4 plus what? Plus 3. Therefore, x minus 4 equals to 0, or x plus 3 equals to what? 0. X is 4, or x is -3. X is going to be 4. X is -3. The diagonal of a rectangle. The diagonal of a rectangle is 9 centimeter more than its width. The length of a rectangle is 7 meter more than its width. What is the area of the triangle? What is the area of the triangle? It's more than, it's gonna be, the diagonal is gonna be d squared equals to length times width. Length plus width. This is what we're gonna use. What? Pythagoras. We're gonna use Pythagoras. So they're saying that the diagonal of a rectangle is 9 more than, I'm going to use plus. More than, it's going to be w plus 9 squared equals to, the length of rectangle is more than, I'll use plus as well. It's going to be w plus 7 squared plus w squared. Now let's expand this. It's going to be w plus 9. W plus 9. Here it's going to be w plus 7. W plus 7 plus w squared. W times w is w squared. W times 9 plus 9w plus 9w plus 81 is going to be w squared. This one times this one times plus 7w. 7 times w again is going to be 7w. 7 times 7 is going to be 49 plus w squared. So w squared plus 18w, 9w plus 9w plus 81 equals to w squared. 7w plus 7w is 14w plus 49 plus w squared. And then so I will take this to the other side. I will take this to the other side. It's gonna be w squared plus 18w plus 81w minus w squared. When I take this 14 to the other side, it's going to be minus 14w minus 49 minus w squared equals to 0. So w minus w is 0. I'll be left with 1w. I'm going to be minus w. And then 18w minus 14w. 18 minus 14 it's gonna be positive 4w, and then 81 minus 49 is plus 32 equals to 0. I'll divide it by 1, -1 by -1 by -1. I want to get rid of this negative. Is going to be w squared minus 4w minus 32 equals to 0. And therefore, I will factorize now. I have w here, I have w here. Factors of 32, I have 1 and 32. And then I have 2 and 18. 2 and 16, sorry, here I have 8 and what and 4. So I will use 8 and what and 4 because minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. And minus 8 times 4 is what is 36. So w minus 8 equals to 0, or w plus 4 equals to 0. So w equals to 8 or w equals to -4. And then for my L length is gonna be 8 plus 7 equals to what, 5? And then area of a rectangle is going to length times breadth. A is gonna be 15 times 8, and then the area is gonna be 120 centimeter squared. The correct answer is 120 centimeter squared. So the correct answer is gonna be 120 centimeter squared. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Let's proceed to number 33. What is the rule for the flow diagram? What is the rule for the flow diagram? So I have -2, I have -4, I have -6. So I'm going to use these are x values, and then these are y. These are y values. What are we going to do here is to check how this one is going. -4 minus -4 minus -2 is gonna give me minus. I already know that my common difference, my m is gonna be -2x. So because -4 minus -2 is gonna give me -2, and -6 minus -4 is gonna give me -2, must give me the same. And then plus what? Plus c, which I don't know, guys. And you can check if I put, like, you can just check if I can put, you can just substitute any number you like, maybe 1, 2, 3, or 4, or you can use the numbers there to find it. So let's use this one and this one. X is going to -1 and -2. This is x and this is y. Therefore, for y, I will put -2. For x, I'll put -1 plus c. -2 is going to be 2 here plus c. I'll take this to the other side. C, -4 is going to be c. So the answer is going to be y is equals to -2x minus 4. -2x minus 4. The answer is D. Number 34, which of the following representation is true for the given function? Y equals to 1/3x. No, because if I divide this by 3, by 3, by 3, the answer is going to give me -1/3x minus 1. The first option is correct, is incorrect. And then the second one, if I can put where there is x, if I put -3, where there is x, if I put -3, if I can put -3 here, it's gonna give me 0. If I put -2 where there is x, let's check, guys, where there is x. No, it won't give me this 1/2. Let's proceed to the next one. No, because -3 does not give me -2. It's incorrect, number C. And then number D. So y-intercept is correct. Here it is here. And then x-intercept is also correct. It's -3. The correct answer is what? Is D. What is the value of Z? Number 35, we already know the rule. Rule is gonna be, let's check, 6, and this one is gonna give me 3. Okay, already I know that my rule is what? It is x squared plus what? Plus 2. Already I know that my rule, it is x squared plus 2. So in order for me to get z, it's gonna be 258 x squared plus what? Plus 2. I'll take this to the other side. It's gonna be 258 minus 2 equals to x squared. So the answer is gonna be 256. This is z squared. And then I will square both sides. Therefore, z is gonna be 16. The correct answer is what? Is 16. Which graph represents the line that is represented in the table below? The first one is incorrect. We know that because this is a horizontal line. And I've told you for this graph, this graph is always like this. Y equals to 4. It can be y equals to negative. These are the type of graph. They have this equation. They have this type of equation. Number B is incorrect. Number C is incorrect. Must have this type. Oh, okay. Sorry for this one again, guys. I didn't see. So we have 0 and what? 0 and 4. This is the y-intercept. Right. So we are given 4 graphs: A, B, and C, and D. This one is on the negative side. This one is on the negatives. is on the positive side, but these are values of x. Oh, the correct answer is going to be A. So which of the following ordered pairs represents a graph? Which of the ordered pairs represents a graph? Which of the ordered pairs represents the graph? Number A, number B, number C, and number D. Which one of the So the graph of M is has this equation mx plus what? Plus C. All right. So by just inspecting which one represents the graph, guys, you just need to test by drawing each and every graph here and see if the graph is straight line or not. For -2, this one can be a straight, this one can be straight, and then number C is the correct answer. Line AB is defined by 2x minus y equals to. What is the equation of the line passing through point and perpendicular to the line? So my line is gonna be, I'll take this negative y to the other side. It will be positive, and I'll take this is gonna be 2x minus 8. They're saying it must be perpendicular. So for perpendicular, I'm going to the gradient. The gradient of that perpendicular multiplied by the gradient of AB must give me -1. So already the gradient of the line AB is what? Is 2 multiplied by the gradient of a perpendicular line. So I'll divide by 2, I'll divide by 2. Therefore, gradient of perpendicular is going to be -1/2. That's the gradient that we are going to use, and I will substitute -2 and 4 to get C. Y is going to be -2x plus what? Plus C. This is x, this is y. It's going to be 4 -1/2 minus 2 plus what? C. 4 is going to be 1 plus C. I'll take this to the others. 4 minus 1 is going to be C. And then C is going to be what? It's going to be 3. So the equation is going to be -1/2x plus 3. So the correct option is what? Is D, guys. For this question, paper 2 question, I will do another video for paper 2. Let's end our questions there. I will upload question 2, paper 2 soon. That's it for today.